I'm gonna exercise every day a toda costa. Hi everyone! Today we will learn a Spanish expression. The expression of the day is a toda costa. A toda costa. Do you know what this means? This means at all costs. This literally doesn't make any sense. The literal meaning would be something like to all cost. Essentially, a toda costa refers to something that you have or want to do. And nothing else matters. You just gotta do it. Now let's see a few examples using a toda costa. Voy a hacer ejercicio a toda costa. Voy a hacer ejercicio a toda costa. Tengo que llegar a mi cita a toda costa. Tengo que llegar a mi cita a toda costa. Evita a toda costa el tomar de más. Evita a toda costa el tomar de más. A Miguel le gusta ganar a toda costa. A Miguel le gusta ganar a toda costa. María quiere comprar una casa nueva a toda costa. María quiere comprar una casa nueva a toda costa. Okay, that was the word of the day, rather expression of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave more examples down below using a toda costa. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!